According to statements issued by United Aircraft Corporation and Rostec, it has delivered another batch of Su-34 fighter bombers to the Russian aerospace forces after undergoing full ground and flight factory testing. According to UAC, it has substantially increased pace of production and are delivering aircraft on a regular basis.
South Korea has announced phased plan to future-proof its indigenous KF-21 Boramae fighter jet. To enhance its stealth characteristics, South Korean government plans to invest $453 million in Block 3 upgrades, including radar-absorbing materials and advanced sensor technologies.
Ukraine has completed final testing of its new long-range kamikaze drone capable of striking targets over 40 kilometers away. According to statement from Brave One, the newly tested loitering munitions offers Ukrainian forces a flexible strike capability with extended range and high survivability in contested electromagnetic environments.
Philippine Air Force Research and Development Center has unveiled its first homegrown armed drones, the Air Military Ordnance Carrier and Military Air Ordnance Yielder drone, capable of carrying explosive payloads and providing cost-effective alternatives to imported drone systems.